Shenzhen XCC RFID Technology Company Limited has been committed to research and development of RFID technology and products since 2007, which is a state-level high-tech enterprise and member of the Association of Internet of Things, and with high-tech mass production experience in designing, developing, and producing RFID prelam, RFID cards, and RFID tags for the domestic and global market each year. Originally located in Shenzhen City, XCC RFID as a professional smart cards factory with 300 workers in 2013, its production department was forced to move in order to be able to expand due to high volumes of orders to its current location in Dongguan City. This relocation improved the production capacity by allowing for more production lines and improved employees' working and living environments. Our manufacturing facility currently has a production area of 10,000 square meters with room to expand. We have our own PVC sheets production line and chip bonding department. We adopt the advanced technology of ultrasonic winding with multiple automatic production lines, make the production process to be controllable. Our mandate is to continually invest in further research and development of new products in order to meet and keep ahead of real, varied, and potential requirements of present and future clients, domestically and globally.